Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. It was cool this morning at 62, but still above the norm of 53. The normal high 73. We were way above that by 14 degrees. Afternoon high of 87 today. No rainfall and a deficit that's growing, but so is the moisture out in the Gulf. You can see the haze in the South Texas skies tonight. 78 right now. Humidity high, and it is breezy ahead of a front that'll arrive here around daybreak on Saturday morning, but ahead of it, it's going to squeeze out some moisture and bring us some badly needed rain. The question is who gets what? Looks like northern areas will get more. Everybody is seeing about the same temperatures right now. It's warm and in the upper 70s and low 80s. 78 in Corpus Christi. We'll be down to 73 by midnight and on down into the low 70s. That's it for the low temperatures tonight as the winds stay elevated from the south-southeast. So you can see that on the wind forecast here coming in from the southeast. Boaters tomorrow will be okay, but it gets unsettled in the afternoon. But you can see the winds are not overly strong as the front eases into the area here tomorrow night and Saturday morning. The winds turn northeasterly on Saturday morning, then northerly here on Saturday afternoon as the rain gradually decreases and moves off to Houston. As far as the satellite and radar goes, you can see the warm, humid air coming in from the Gulf, the front up to the north and the Panhandle, and southwesterly flow aloft. First time we've seen that in about 9 months, where that southwesterly flow is bringing moisture in from the Pacific, and that's why it's going to rain, unlike all the other fronts recently that have come through here in the last 2 months where we really haven't seen much. About, I think it was October 22nd, it rained at the airport, but it didn't rain anywhere else in the coastal bend. Now it's going to rain over a large chunk of the coastal bend because the moisture is increasing. You can see that on the future tracker. Clouds in the morning, thick clouds, and then showers beginning to develop tomorrow afternoon around 5 o'clock. And then a few more around 8 o'clock, but it really starts to lift between 8 o'clock and midnight. Some of this is going to be heavy, but notice how the city is missed on this right here, but not the area. And so that is the key to the forecast. Some areas are going to get much more rain than others here, and then it all winds down and gets much cooler here Saturday night and Sunday and most of next week. By 5 o'clock tomorrow, about 1/3 of an inch of rain to nothing in the region, but then it really picks up tomorrow night and into Saturday night. As you can see, some areas well over an inch, especially northern sections of the coastal bend. I think on I-37 north and east, you're better shot of rain, marginal risk of severe weather. Drop in temperatures, yes, in the morning it's going to be unseasonably warm here, but cool in the Panhandle. 80s tomorrow afternoon, and then it starts to all come tumbling down here by the time we get to Saturday and Saturday night. There's the upper level low coming in low and hot. That's going to lift the air and cause it to rain, and then the cold air really comes in here by Tuesday of next week. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and it looks like this. 83 tomorrow, just 66 for the high Saturday with rain likely, and then much cooler here Sunday through Thursday of next week as we go all the way down to 38 degrees here next Tuesday morning.